young engineer who's giving a talk today, what makes you think React Native will succeed? In a very patronizing tone, he said that to me. But his question was very valid. And it links back to the architecture of how we're trying to target cross-platform applications. So if we look at Java, the way that a Java front-end application would typically work is you would have Java source code that goes through a compiler. That compiler compiles out to bytecode that needs to be run on the JVM. So you have a custom runtime that sits on top of the OS that's interpreting and running your bytecode. And so your bytecode is not being run by the operating system, but it's actually being run by the JVM. So there's that level of abstraction, and it means that it's not actually truly running natively. The best comparison I can draw is that it's kind of like a really good Bob Ross painting. Like if you just stare at it, maybe what you'll see is it'll look like a real picture that someone's taken. But the moment that you kind of step a little bit and look at it from a different angle, you're like, that is a fake canvas. So it looks a lot like the real thing. It looks a lot like native applications, but it's not really native.